Hello everyone, this is Hamilton Joe. In this video, we are going to discuss about Scopus new list, Scopus accepted list, Scopus discontinued list, March and April 2021. So far, Scopus has released two separate Excel files, and one is for Scopus source list and another one is for Scopus discontinued list. So this Scopus source list Excel file is updated twice in a year, whereas Scopus discontinued list is updated monthly. And we do not know what are the journals have been accepted into Scopus recently. So we do not know what are the journals or what are the titles that are accepted for Scopus indexing recently. So in order to avoid all these confusions, Scopus have combined all these things and published or started to release only one Excel file which will consist of all these things. The first combined Excel file source list, accepted list and discontinued list was released in the month of March 2021, and the second list was announced in April 2021. So in this video, I'm going to explain the Scopus source list, Scopus accepted list, Scopus discontinued list March 2021 and April 2021 list. So before getting to the topic, if you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe it and click the bell symbol so that you will get the latest updates. Now let us get into the topic. So first thing, we should know how to download Scopus source list or discontinued list or accepted list in the combined Excel file. So just to open Google Chrome and type Scopus title list. The first link you will find it is the official Scopus web page, that is Elsevier web page. So just to open it, so just scroll down. So at the bottom you will find, just scroll down. So see here you can find download the source title list including Scopus discontinued source list. So this is the Excel file which will consist of Scopus source list, Scopus accepted list, Scopus discontinued list and Scopus conference proceeding list also. So all these things are combined into a single file which were published in the month of March 2021 and April 2021. So in this video just I am going to explain March Scopus list and April Scopus list 2021. So first let us see March 2021 list. So just this is the March 2021 Scopus list, and here you can find, so the first Excel sheet that you are seeing here is, here you can find Scopus source October 2020. I told you already the Scopus source list is revised or updated twice in a year. So normally it will be done in the month of October and another one will be done in the month of May or June. So what we are viewing here is October 2020 list. The Scopus source list 2020 will be released either at the end of May or in the first week of June. So this is the October 2020 list, over list, and here you can find another sheet. Just I am pointing out mouse over here, just to see here accepted titles March 2021. So just to click this tab. So in this Excel sheet you can find, so what are the journals were accepted into Scopus in the month of March 2021. So here you can find accepted titles in the process of being added to Scopus. So all these journals are accepted for Scopus indexing and the contents will be added into the Scopus database shortly. So here you can find the journal name and its ISN details, and here you can find the date of acceptance. So this journal is accepted in the month of March 2021 and the publisher details. So here you can find all the journals which were accepted into Scopus recently. So just here March 2021 is listed here. Just scroll down, here you can find February 2021, the journals which were accepted into Scopus in the month of February 2021. Similarly for January, for all the months you can find it. Just scroll down. So here you can find, see here, January 2021, the journals which were accepted into Scopus indexing in the month of January 2021. Like this, if you scroll down, you can find the details of the journals which were accepted into the Scopus in the year of 2020, and even you can find the details of 2019 also. So far we have seen Scopus sources October 2020 list, and accepted titles in the March 2021. Here you can find another Excel sheet which consists of discontinued titles March 2021. So as on March 2021, the journals which were removed or discontinued from Scopus, you can find it here. Just click it, discontinued titles March 2021. So first thing here you can find, just I am pointing out over here, you can find it. So newly added titles are highlighted in red. So which means the journals which are recently discontinued or removed from Scopus is highlighted in red color. Actually this entire Excel sheet, so all the journals listed here were removed or discontinued from Scopus in various months. So the journals which are discontinued from Scopus in the month of March is highlighted in red color. So here you can find the status March 2021, the status you can find it. So just you can find the journal details here. So here you can find the journal name and ISN details and the publisher details, and here you will find the reason for discontinuation, why the particular journal is discontinued from the Scopus. The reason is radar. And here you can find the final coverage. Final coverage means the last volume number, issue number and the page ranges which were indexed by Scopus. You can find it over here. For example, for this particular journal, the last final coverage year was 2020 and the volume number 30 and the issue number last covered in Scopus is 2 and the page ranges are given here. Similarly, you can find the details of all the journals which were discontinued or removed from Scopus in the month March 2021. Just I will scroll down one by one. You can go through the journals. So here you can find all the journals which are highlighted in red color or discontinued from Scopus, and these journals are presently not indexed by Scopus anymore. So just I scroll down to find the another journals. So just to scroll down, the journals which were highlighted in red color are discontinued from Scopus in the month of March 2021. Here you can find it, and here you can find another journals. So these journals are no more in Scopus. So just to scroll down to find another journals. See here you can find the journal name, so which is highlighted in red color, and these journals are also no more in Scopus. The reason and the publisher details are given here. The reason for discontinuation, all these details are given here, and final coverage details for the particular journals were also given over here, and you can just go through it, you will find it. So just to scroll down to find the another journal. So here you can find the another journal, why it is removed, all these details, and the final coverage details also you can find it. So let us scroll down to find whether any other journals are listed over here. The journals which are highlighted in red color are discontinued or removed from Scopus, and these journals are no more covered by Scopus. So yeah, here you can find another journal and its publisher details and reason for discontinuation and the final coverage details, you can find it. So just to scroll down. So we have reached the end of file. So as I told you earlier, so this is the Scopus discontinued list March 2021. That means the recently discontinued journals are highlighted in red color, and here you can find another sheet. So this will consist of the conference proceedings, right? The conference proceedings details are given here. Here also the details which are highlighted in red color are discontinued from Scopus. Here you can find it. It is given very clearly discontinued, and the coverage details here. Coverage is also given here. So this is for all conference proceedings which are accepted into Scopus. That means like a Scopus source list, this is Scopus conference list. So this is the list of Scopus March 2021 list I have explained to you, and after March another list, that is April 2021 list, were also released by Scopus recently. So now we will open Scopus April 2021 list and let us see. So see here, and this is the April 2021 list. The first one, Scopus sources October 2020. I already told you the Scopus source list is updated twice in a year. The next update will be made in the month of May or June. So once the Scopus new source list is released, you will find the details here. Scopus sources maybe May 2021 or June 2021, which is not yet released. It is yet to be released. And here you can find accepted titles April 2021. So previous file we have seen accepted titles March 2021. Now we are saying accepted titles into Scopus database April 2021. So just to click it. So here you can find the journal names, so which are accepted into Scopus, and the documents are in the process of indexing by Scopus. Here you can find date of acceptance April 2021 and the publisher details. So as I told you, if you scroll down, you can find April 2021 journals and journals which are indexed or accepted for indexing by Scopus March 2021. And similarly, if you go down February, January, December, November 2020 or 2019, the journals which were accepted for Scopus indexing, all the list you can find it over here. But however, the recent list, the recent journals, the journals which are accepted into Scopus indexing recently, that is April 2021. In the month of April, what are the journals are accepted for Scopus indexing, you can find it here. See here we can find another Excel sheet which consists of discontinued titles April 2021. The journals which are removed or discontinued from Scopus in the month April 2021 list is available here. Just click it, and as I told you earlier, here you can find it. The newly added titles are highlighted in red color. The journals which are recently removed from Scopus, which is added into this particular Excel sheet, is highlighted in red color. So here you can find the source, status source April 2021. So here you can find the journal name, ISN details, publisher name, and the reason for discontinuation, and as well as the, as I told you, as I explained you in the March 2021 issue, the final coverage, year, volume number, issue number, and page ranges, you can find it. Now let us see what are the journals were discontinued from Scopus and added to this particular Excel sheet in the month April 2021. The recently discontinued journals are highlighted in red color. Just to scroll down, let us see how many journals were discontinued from Scopus in the month of April 2021. So here you can find the journal name. It is highlighted in red color, and ISN details, publisher name, and the reason for discontinuation, and final coverage, year, volume number, issue number, and page ranges. These details you can find it over here. So just to scroll down for another journal. The journals which are highlighted in red color is no more indexed by Scopus. As I told you earlier, the entire Excel sheet consists of the journals which were removed or discontinued from Scopus. The journals which are discontinued in the month of April 2021 is highlighted in red color. Here you can find another journal name, and it's a reason for discontinuation, publisher details, all these things you can find it here. So just to scroll down to find the another journal. Yeah, here you can find another journal. The journal which is highlighted in red color is no more indexed by Scopus. So just to scroll down to find any other journals were added into this list. Just to scroll down, and here we can find one more journal. So this journal is also no more indexed by Scopus. And as usual, you can find the conference details. The recently discontinued are highlighted in red color, and all conference proceedings like Scopus source list, entire conference proceeding list, you can find it. Thank you very much for watching this video. In this video, I have explained to you Scopus source list, Scopus accepted list, Scopus discontinued list, which were published in the month of March and April 2021. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like this video, kindly subscribe the channel and click the bell symbol, and share the video with your friends and colleagues so that everyone will get benefited. So I will get touch with you in another video with another concept as early as possible. Thank you very much for watching.